To learn English or to improve your speaking skills, you have to follow some strategies. These strategies, that means these techniques, will help you to improve your speaking skills. If you want to speak fluently or if you want to improve your speaking skills, you must follow these strategies. Okay. Number one, talking about yourself and your family. Okay, you have learned how to talk about you and about your family. That should be practiced every day. Whenever you have time, start practicing about you and about your family. Number two, talking about your daily activities. Okay, if you want to improve your speaking skills, you must talk about your daily activities every day, 2 to 3 times. Okay, before going to bed, you start to talk about how you spent your whole day, or after getting up, you again start to talk about your whole day and talk about your yesterday. And you have studied how to talk about your yesterday, and you have learned it, and you have elaborated in the classroom today. So if you, before going to bed, if you talk about how you spent yesterday, this will help you to talk about your past tense, and this will help you to improve your speaking skills. So before going to bed, try to practice how you spent yesterday every day. Okay, and talk about tomorrow. That means describe how you will spend tomorrow. This is going to be a topic for you. You have studied simple future tense, and you know how to make sentence using simple future tense. So try to practice 3 topics. Number 1, talking about you and about your family, talking about your daily routine, and talking about how you spent your study, and talking about how you will spend tomorrow. If you are willing to become fluent in English language, I think these topics will help you a lot to improve your speaking skills. And finally, I want to tell to my students, if you are willing to learn spoken English, or if you want to improve your speaking skills, you must practice every day. If you have time, start practicing. What you know, that should be used in your conversation. You have learned few lessons. That means you have learned simple present, you have learned simple past, you have learned simple future. These sort of lessons you have started in your class, and you know how to make sentences using these structures. So following these structures, try to make some sentences about your daily activities, about your daily context, about your daily usage sentences, and try to use it in your everyday conversation. If you use it, I think you will become much more fluent in English language. Okay, so to become fluent in English, of course, you have to follow the strategies of your class, and you have to follow the rules to practice every day, and everyday conversation will help you to improve your speaking skills. Okay, so after your class, you'll try your best to make conversation with your friends. If you have a friend for talking in English, and start to speak English with him, okay, or with her.